Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn use of the word and. Let's start. Use of and. And is a word that joins things together. Let's see some examples. We have two words, bat, ball. When we join them, we say bat and ball. We have two words, cat, rat. When we join them, we say cat and rat. We have two words, man, woman. When we join them, we say men and women. We have two words, duck, owl. When we join them, we say duck and owl. We have two words, car, bike. When we join them, we say car and bike. We have two words, socks, shoes. When we join them, we say socks and shoes. We have two words, chair, table. When we join them, we say chair and table. We have two words, pigeon, peacock. When we join them, we say pigeon and peacock. We have two words, deer, rabbit. When we join them, we say deer and rabbit. We have two words, cup, plate. When we join them, we say cup and plate. We have two words, pen, pencil. When we join them, we say pen and pencil. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.